Hello and welcome back to Ella's Craft Creations, formerly known as Diamond Painting 211 with Emma. I am Emma, your hostess. It's not so much the mostess, and if you like and subscribe to me and ring that bell for notifications, you'll be notified every time I upload YouTube on your tablet, your phone, your computer, maybe even your TV. You know how to use that one. So welcome back, so good to see you. I really do miss you when you're not here, and if you're new, welcome, stick around, we have something to show off, and it's the Budgie. She's finished her last night after the ribbon chat. Look at her. I would pan this out a bit, but I've got a wire sitting here, and I've got bits sitting here, wire there, bits there, so I'm just going to move it around the table. But isn't she just gorgeous? Okay, so this is, see if we can get this up here. We can see under here, let's see if I can get this off without pulling anything else up. Yeah, Evershine. Oh, please don't pull my drawers up. Is it okay? It was an Evershine diamond painting that I got from AliExpress a few years ago. 2 years ago. I did originally buy this for #ReachOut2022 for mental health, but things kind of slipped away from me and I didn't quite get to finish her for that. I literally just finished her last night, and she hasn't been touched for, I think the last time I did do any of her was just over 2 years ago, yeah. So about 2 and a bit. But yep, as you can see from here, this is what I was saying last night, is this bit up here on the beak, above the beak, this is how you know she's female. If this is blue, she's a male, but she's not a male. So from Evershine, this is a 40 by 50 full drill square diamond painting, and as much fun as she was to do. Now I did seal this last night when I finished her, so if I do that, nothing should pop out, but I can still feel a lot of raised bits, so that is a bit poppy. Some of the drills weren't quite to size, but if you look at the detail in her, you have to excuse the shine. Like I said, I did seal her last night, so the glare from the lights is hitting her. A beautiful tail that ends down here, and she's perched upon a very mossy, quite viney branch, I would say. And the detail of the background, the silhouette of branches in the sky, and of course all budgies have, regardless of the colour, they have this sort of marking around the eye. I have to say, I enjoyed this. I bought this canvas, yes, for #ReachOut2022, but also in honour and in memory of my mum. For those of you who are new or haven't seen the video where I speak about my mum, she passed away in October 2020 in hospital from COVID. She didn't get COVID before she went in. She contracted it while she was in there. But now the reason the Budgie is significant is because this was one of my mum's favourite animals. And the last time me and my mum went out together was to a pet store to buy budgies, blue and white budgies, and she came home with 2 pairs. And that was the last time we spent any significant time together. This is why this was a very special painting for me, and I'm so happy that she's finished. But on to the review of it. I'm going to see if you can see what I see or feel. I'm going to zoom in. Right, okay, that should do it. Right, I'm here. I'm looking for a more significant spot. Right, here. See that? Right there. See that one sticking out? Like I said, I did seal them. I did seal it down last night, but still got bits that just won't sit in. And this isn't the only area it feels like that. I've got bits here as well. You just, I don't know if you can see that, you can maybe just see that one. Excuse the chip nail polish. Just sticking out there. I can actually sit my finger, it's butt up against it, whereas I can do that. With this one, my finger just butts up against it. So, yeah, that is my only gripe with this. I'm just going to zoom back out now. However, in saying that, she's getting hung up. I'm hanging her up on my wall. I did order, after speaking about last night about getting the frame, I actually ordered one up this morning, so it'll be here tomorrow, so she'll be getting, oh, see that? Oh, there's another one popping up right on the face. So a frame is coming tomorrow for her, just a black frame, 40 by 50, and because I have now, let's see, if I remember rightly, she is a 40 by 50. Right, 1 second, I'm just going to get my tape measure and I'll double check that. I'm pretty sure the full canvas size, the full drill area size was 40 centimetres by 50 centimetres. I'm trying not to trip over a cable. Got big clunky slippers on, so I trip over everything. Let's see. So this way is just below, yeah, it's just below 39, and this way, I'm going to do it this way so it's easier for you to see. So yeah, this is, make sure my head's not in the way, about 48 and a quarter, so it's just under 40 by 50. So what I shall be doing is I'll be taking off the washi tape I have at the side. I'll put something new and fresh on it. Let's see, let's take a sample of this. Perhaps that one. My lighting's not right today because the light I've got sitting here there, the fitting needs to be replaced. So behind me I've got a bit of a phone ring light, you kind of get on a lazy arm, trying to get some extra light in, and I don't know if it's helping, but I might put that washi tape on round the side. Let's have a look. Now there is yellow underneath it obviously, but yeah, I think I'll do that one. So I'll be getting some fresh, take this washi tape off, put fresh stuff around, all the way around, and then what will happen after that is when the frame arrives, I will be obviously putting the glass over the canvas and just marking all the way around the glass. I think it's actually perspex, but just marking all the way around the glass where my cut line will be, and carefully cut around that so that we have a nice border and not having the canvas or wording or under this piece. You might just be able to see the colour key, the drills, so we'll have a nice border around it. So with that being said, let's get on to the cutting.
A few moments later.
Right, okay, so I actually have 4 of these boxes for my square drills. 3 of them are just for the DMCs, I think. I'll need to check number 4 in a bit. This box is for the 100s to the 600s. So, pop this away. and we'll get that back in just a second. So let's get the lid off. I have a funnel somewhere. I have no idea where I put it. Told you last night I tidied up a bit. There, it's there. In the tub. Okay. So let's get this lid off. Don't need these two right now. They're for another box. They're from this kit, but from another box. And the first number is 154. So we have 154. Pop you out of the road. Let's see if I can get this without spilling them all. Right, sit like that. There wasn't much left in this. Okay, put that back in. I'm going to take these labels off later and clean them up with Goo Gone. Okay, 310 is next. Now, I think my 310 in here is super full, and if it's not in here then it'll be because I've got a particular pouch for it. Actually, it's not that bad, but I am going to put it in its particular pouch. I have one for squares and one for rounds. Here's my square one. It's a square 310. Here's my other one. Round 310. Simple. I'm just going to pop the 310s in here, because you always end up with more 310s than you physically will use. Okay, so that's 310 put away. That goes back up. 336. 336. Here we are. Now I know I have all the colours here because a couple of Christmases ago my other half bought me the entire collection of DMC numbered square drills. Every single colour. 336. So I know I don't have to create any labels today. They're nice, quick D-kit. We like a nice quick D-kit, don't we? 413. I think I might just sit this in here. There we go. There. Oh, there's a couple soft stuck in there. Hang on. They might have a bit of wax or something stuck to them. It must be the case. Come on, out you brute. That's it now. Okay, that's 413. 37. Hang on. These two are mixed up. 413, 371. As long as the numbers are right, I'm fine. So what was that? 371. I must have mixed them up while I was sitting on a session one day. There we go. 371. This system is not my design. The little labels, I want to show you. 371. There you go. The little labels on these cards are also not my design, nor my idea. Add More Zest with Diamonds. She used to be known as 4Kids at 147. She might still be actually. She done these. I got them from her website, but this was the free version where I could print them out myself. So this whole system I got from one of her videos as well. So this is not, I like this system, it's just not my, I will not take credit for it, it's not my idea. Let's see, 436. Right. When I zoom in a bit, you might be able to see a bit better. There we go. Right, so I can move that there, move that Yeah, that way you can see what I'm doing here. That's better. It's all good. 436. Next one is 471. There she is. I'm actually standing up to do this. I actually find it more comfortable to stand up to do this part rather than sitting down. I don't know why, just for me it's personally more comfortable. Right, 471. 550. Oh, one of my favourites. Gorgeous colour. Love it. I love a good purple. I love a good purple as much as I love a good blue. Like 796 here. That's a fantastic blue. I love this one. One of my other favourites is 995. Look at that. Gorgeous. So yeah, I do have particular favourites. But I just love colour. Right. That's 550. Where are you hiding? There you are. Okay. And 647. I'm sorry for the lighting. I am going to get that one fixed or replaced. Probably replaced, if I'm being honest. 647. Okay. Because I put the bulb on, it will stay on for a wee while and then it will crackle. Now, I changed the bulb. It will crackle, it will flicker, and I just don't like the sound. It's not safe. It done it again today. Yes, like I said, I changed the bulb, but it was doing the same thing after a while, so I know the fitting needs to be replaced. Right, 677. There we go. It's a nice pale colour, that one. Oh, I've got a wee mix in there, do you see that? I've got like 3 different shades. Goes to show that I don't pay attention. Okay. So it was 677, and that's this box finished with. I'm now going to put the lid back on. And bring down the 700 to 900s. I'll just pop this one back up for now so nothing goes all over the place. Right, lid off. Box is 700s to 900s, and the first one is 728. There we go. 728. Alright, 734 is next. Just put that down a little bit. I'm not even going to bother with the funnel anymore. This is much quicker. I won't spill it either. I think I just use the funnel when I am kitting up, really. It has been a while. 734. Okay, 760 is the next lucky lady. 761. There we are, 760. And next in line is 792. See, that's the next one as well. And it is down at the bottom, more or less. Yep, here we are, 792. There we go. I'm actually going to take this card out. I think it's getting enough in it to keep it upright. 1 second. Maybe just enough. Okay, that's 792. 796. That's my honey. It's one of my honeys. Now, right at the very bottom. This one is pretty full. Yeah, this one's practically full. 796. Back in you go. Excuse me, please.
Soon after.
My apologies, ladies and jelly spoons. My daughter needed help. The next one up is 798. Okay, and then 799, just bring that out just now. I actually do want to get through this as quickly as I can. I have to go and do the dinner. I'm not as late tonight as I was last night. 803 into the 800s. There we are. Okay. 809 I see is next in line, and I literally just saw that a second ago. 809. Okay. 820, or I don't normally say 0, I just say O, but it is what it is. Everybody says it their own way. This is getting rather full. I've got another bag in here. 820. This is pretty full. Nope, this is the only one. Yep, hang on. I'm confusing myself on what goes in what box. Let's see. There we are. Oh, squidging. Getting a bit fat in the box. 823. Oh, another one that's nearly full. These darker ones are very, very popular. Collects these ones really fast. There we are. Fantastic for your shading and contouring though. 823. There's the card hiding. Yeah, that one. Okay. 826. I'm lost. There we are. Nearly finished this box and this container. 826. There it is. 832. There you go. Oof, goodness me. Right, I've just spotted something. Let me get these in and I'll show you. 832. Right, and you have a look at this. 939. It's not the next one online, but I do have it to put away. That's my 939 spares. It says S for square because before I've done a different system for the rounds. 939. I've still got more to put in, so let's have a look. I think there's just slightly less than that one, so I'll keep that one at the front of it. But the next one is 890. Let's grab that. Right, I just heard my phone vibrate. It can wait. I'm busy. 890. 936. Sorry. Yeah, 936. Okay, we're in the 900s now. Just saw it. There it's there. No. It's 938. I have to make an apology. When I was editing last night's Whip and Chat, I did notice that you could hear me breathing a bit heavy. I don't know I'm doing that. Obviously the microphone picks it up, so apologies for that. And if this is happening again in this video, I can only apologise. Clearly my microphone is picking it up. You obviously don't know how loud your breathing is until you hear it on a device. Okay, on to the 939 now. So yeah, I'm trying to be a bit more aware of how heavily I breathe out of my nose. That's actually, look, that's it, look. Filled, done, that one's fat as anything. It's the Mr. Hippo pack. 995, gorgeous colour. And it's all the way down here. Yeah, I think I've just done it again. 995. So, yeah, obviously I don't actually realise that I'm doing that. And when I was editing last night's video, I realised I've been doing that. 996. Last one for this box. Right, and there is one container left in this little caddy, but it's a 3000s, so it's going on to another box now. So let me get myself sorted here. Let me bring this one back down so I can get this one up, because I don't want to be moving all the boxes out of the way because I have books beside it. I don't want them to go whoop like that, so can't be bothered with the nonsense. It's all nonsenses. I've just knocked my ring light out. Hang on. Yeah, I've just unplugged it from the USB, I think. I actually have no idea if it's making any difference or not, but I can only hope it does help. Right. The 3000s. A box dedicated to the 3000s. So, and this is how it's looking. Got all the trays I've got. All these trays are in here are just to stop the partitions from going like that. So it's just to, you know, a wee bit of support. That's all that is. So this one is 3346. So it's a 3 3s. There it is. this out the way so you can see. Come on. Stuck with wax. Let's use my fingers. There, you don't have a choice, boys. 3, 3, 4, 6. Okay. And that's this container done. I don't have a lid for this container because I think I stood in it and broke it because I'm silly. I could call myself other names, but you know, family friendly and all that. Okay, 3, 3, 4, 8. Here we are. This is actually feeling quite cathartic because this canvas, this kit has been hanging up for nigh on 2 years, waiting to be finished, waiting for people to see it finished. So this is feeling really quite good. 3371. There you are. This is a bittersweet moment. I did enjoy it, but because it took me so long to get round to finishing it, it's a relief. It is a relief. 3721, so we're up here for 3 sevens. Yeah, I've still got some wax residue on a lot of these little drilly bits. Oh, pardon me, I don't know if you heard that. I do beg your pardon. 3721. Right. 3743 is the next one in line. There you are. Seven, 4, 3, 3, 8, 4, 0. Now we're on to the 3 8s. Find my card piece. Why have I got a phone for that? Guys, hang on. Maybe it's in here. Oh, hang on. Wait. Books are going to fall down here. Let's see if I can try and swap this out sneakily. Nope, they're going to fall. Right. Aha! Right, okay. Right. The one I have labelled unnumbered specials and ABs are all my 3 8s. So now I'm going to put this one up. See, it's been a while since I've dekitted anything that's DMC numbered. Right. Oh, right. Hang on. Slight intermission. Okay. Right, I'm back. It's been ages. I didn't realise these were in here. I thought it was just in the 1s and 300s. I think I was giving myself a bit of leeway. But anyway, where are we? 3840. Over here. Yes, there is a lot of trays, I'm aware of that. That's nothing. Okay, so you saw the trays in here, you saw the trays in the last box. Let's see, I'm going to show you something. I did have a lot more than that, but I gifted them to an art teacher who was working with disabled adults. Yep, I know. We have these ones and these ones. All these pens, and there's more hiding underneath. have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do with them all. I have no idea where I can send them to. I don't see that art teacher anymore because she used to come into the centre where my salon was based. And now the salon's not there and I have no way of getting in touch. So I have no idea if she needs any or not. Three, 8, 2, 1. Really? 3, 8, 4, 3, 8, 2, 1. Do you know what's happened here? The cat's knocked them over and I must have misread where I was putting them. So 3, 8, 2, 1. It's back up here. The cat's knocked them over and it must have been when I was popping them back in. That's why they're mixed up. Not a big deal. Can't say I noticed it when I was using them anyway, so it doesn't matter. 3, 8, 3, 5. Up here. Right. 8, 3, 5. 3, 8, 3, 7 is the next lucky number. Here we are. Nearly there. Nearly there. Then I'll leave you alone. Okie dokie. 3, 8, 3, 8. That's another blue that I like. It's a nice little lighter one, but I absolutely love it. And 3, 8, 4, 3. Yeah. So I think I like blue more than anything else. My nails are actually blue. Not that you can see in this godforsaken light. 3, 8, 3, 8. But like I think they're called Twilight or something, or Midnight, I don't know. 3, 8, 3, 8. It's right here, Emma, come on, behave yourself. There we are. Eight. And you are 3807. That should have been, let's see, that should have been here. Because the cat's knocked them down, I've tried to put them back into order, but I think I was trying to get them done and get something else up at the same time, so I've mixed them up. 3807 is actually over here now. I'm back up here. There we are. Cats will get a bop in the nose. They don't behave. I'm kidding, I wouldn't actually bop them anywhere. Figure of speech. Right, just put that back in there. 3842, we're over here again. There we are. Okie dokie. 3843, next one down. Nearly finished. I like to get things dekitted out of the way as soon as I can because then I don't have a big pile of things to put away. And I've got containers ready for another project. There we go. I don't like to leave though. Because it hangs over my head. I need to get this done. I need to get this done. And pardon me again, I do apologise. What we've got next, 3852. Next one down. Here we are. It does, I've always been brought up with the, I'm sure many of us have, if you're finished with something, tidy it up and put it away. Do you know what I mean? That includes my hobby stuff. 38, what number was that again? 3852, I can't even read my writing. There we are. And last of all the way at the very bottom, bar 1, 3865. I've actually got a couple of these as well. So not 3866, but I know I've got a few of these. I could have sworn I had more. Ooh. forgot I had these. Glow in the darks. They're in the box. I think, I got a mystery diamond painting, and there's a glow in the dark one. So let's charge them up, shall we? Excuse my daughter's misbehaviour in the background. Let's get this off. I'm just about to see them look. Stunning! I love them. Anyway, enough of this hilarity. Back in the box. 3865. Last one. Let's get it done. I thought I had another bag of these, but I've got no idea what I've done with them. Must have been around. That's pretty full now, and that is that. Done, done, done. Now I've got the fun bit of getting this back up without knocking all the books over. Oh gosh, intermission!
2,000 years later.
And back, and that takes care of that. So thank you all so much for joining me. I have no idea how long this video is going to be. Hopefully it's not that long, and we can all get on with the rest of the evening and afternoon whenever we're watching this. Thank you for joining. If you're new, like the video, subscribe and ring that bell. It does help a lot, and I'll see you all again later. Tatty bye!